So let me quickly take you on a tour around my mom's garden. So this is what her garden looks like. In her garden, you literally find everything. So everything you see me do today started from here. Okay, the passion for agriculture literally started from here, guys. So she's got plantains. You know me for a plantain specialist. So this is plantain, but this is not the elephant giant variety. This is a local variety, and it grows so tall. All right. So, but the elephant giant is mediumly sized. Look at how tall the bunches are. Very, very tall. Over 10 meters. So, but we can't be using such plantains for commercial purposes. Okay, so she has a whole lot of variety of plants. She's got the bitter yam. Okay, she's got cassava, she's got cocoa yam. All right, so let me give you a closer view. So in my mom's garden, you've literally got a whole lot of things, variety of plants. This is cassava. What again? I just showed you the bitter yam she's currently harvesting. Okay, so if we go further, you're gonna see cocoa yam. This is cocoa yam. This is a very good variety of cocoa yam. Then we'll have pawpaw. As you can see, that's a pawpaw. All right, look at the bitter yam she's currently harvesting. Quite massive. Look at what we've been able to harvest so far. And these stuffs are quite expensive in the market, especially right now. So if we go further down into here, into her garden, you're going to find water leaf. Okay, this is water leaf. This is, I've shown you cocoa yam. This is ugu. Okay, so what again? This is ugu, and she's got a lot of ugu here. So this is actually the Calabar variety. Okay, this is a Calabar variety of ugu. Calabar variety of ugu. So if we go further down here, she's also got, this is pepper. Okay, this is one of those local variety of pepper. Then this is scent leaf. This is scent leaf. What again does she have here? Then if you look up, we have these trees. This is sharing African berry. So we'll call this agbalumo. This is agbalumo. Then there's also kola, the kola nut tree here. Then this is oil palm. This is oil palm. Okay, and then we'll have plantain. So you've literally got varieties of items here. We've got varieties of items here. Then if you look at this too, this is a very special grass in Abia State. We call it achara in Abia State. We really consume this. It's one of our major delicacies in our meal. Okay, this is a variety of elephant grass. Okay, but this particular variety, we consume it here in Abia State. It's a special delicacy in our meals here. So a lot is going on here. Okay, and I'm super excited for what she does. And then this is just her garden, her backyard garden. So there's still she's got her own farm, but I'm not able to go to the farm today. All right, so that's my mom's garden in a jiffy. So she can literally come into here, make urgent soup, usually very delicious and fresh. That's why I can't joke with my mama's food. So guys, make sure you have a garden if you've got this kind of space at your location. All right, do agriculture right. Peace and love, guys.